Dry fasting and autophagy, the powerful cellular healing process explained. What if I told you, your body has a built-in system that can destroy damaged cells, recycle toxins, and potentially slow down aging, all without medication? And what if activating this system requires nothing more than not eating and not drinking for a period of time? This process is called autophagy. And today, we're diving into how dry fasting amplifies it in a very powerful way. But be warned, what you're about to learn might completely change how you see fasting forever. What is autophagy? Let's break this down simply. Autophagy comes from two Greek words, auto, meaning self, phagy, meaning eating. So literally, it means self-eating. But don't let that scare you. This is actually one of the most intelligent survival mechanisms in your body. Here's what happens. Your body begins to identify damaged cells, break them down, recycle their components, and use them to build new, healthier cells. It's like your body taking out the trash and turning it into something valuable. Now here's the key. Autophagy doesn't fully activate when you're constantly eating. It's triggered when your body enters a state of stress, especially during fasting. How fasting triggers autophagy? When you stop eating, your body goes through stages. First, it burns glucose. Then, it switches to fat. And finally, it activates cellular repair mechanisms like autophagy. But here's the interesting part. This process accelerates when insulin levels drop and your body senses scarcity. That's why fasting is so powerful. But not all fasting is the same. And this is where dry fasting enters the conversation. Why dry fasting may boost autophagy. Dry fasting means no food, no water. Now you might be wondering, how can removing water make this process stronger? Here's the theory. When you deprive your body of both food and water, your system enters a deeper survival mode. To compensate, your body begins to break down fat more aggressively, produce metabolic water from fat stores, intensify internal recycling processes, and this may lead to stronger activation of autophagy. Some researchers suggest that fat oxidation increases, cellular cleanup becomes more efficient, inflammation reduces faster. In simple terms, your body says, we don't have external resources, so let's clean house internally. Warning: important reality check. Now let's be clear, this is powerful, but it must be approached wisely. Dry fasting is more intense than water fasting, and while it may enhance certain biological processes, it also comes with higher risk if done incorrectly. Potential risks include dehydration, electrolyte imbalance, fatigue or dizziness. This is not something to jump into blindly. Your body needs preparation, awareness, gradual adaptation, and most importantly, you must listen to your body. Signs: your body may be in autophagy. While you can't see autophagy happening, there are signs many fasters report: reduced appetite, mental clarity, increased fat burning, improved skin appearance, a sense of internal reset. These are not guarantees, but they often indicate your body has shifted into a repair mode. The bigger picture: autophagy is not just about physical health. Many people who practice dry fasting also report greater discipline, spiritual clarity, emotional reset, because when you remove constant consumption, you create space for restoration on every level. Call to action. So here's the question: what if the healing you've been searching for is not in adding more, but in temporarily removing everything? If this video opened your eyes, like the video, subscribe for more powerful insights on fasting and healing, and comment below, reset, if you're ready to take control of your health naturally.